Hey there. Hey, I'm Rick Elgersma. I'm from Real Connections Counseling. Most of you know that already. But Real Connections does a lot of things, including therapy and retreats. That's what I want to talk to you about today. We were out riding quads today, and it's a lot of fun, and it's really cool to get out there, and it's pretty awesome to feel the wind and to get the dust in your face, and you can see a little bit of that right now. But we wouldn't ride without gear. Now, why is that? Well, because you just don't know what could happen. You don't know why it could happen. You don't understand exactly all the elements that you need to know out there. So that's why you have gear. That's why you wear gloves. That's why you do the things that you need to do to have a safe ride. It's not unlike relationships. When you get out there and start a relationship, we take a lot for granted, don't we? We start thinking like, yeah, of course they'll be faithful to me, or of course they'll always be nice to me, or of course they're gonna read my mind. I think that's probably the biggest one out there, is that of course you'll read my mind, which of course is never true. But in order to not make those assumptions, you need the right gear. You need to know how to connect. You need to know how to create intimacy. You need to know how to create chemistry. Chemistry isn't just natural. It's chosen, and you create it. Now, in order to do that, you need a little help sometimes. We all do. Everyone who's ever been great at anything, everyone who's ever done anything awesome has practiced, and and others have been there to help them practice. Well, that's the same with relationships. We are doing what we call Intimacy Reimagined retreats and workshops, and our next one is in Breckenridge, Colorado in October 8th, on October 8th through the 13th. This is going to be so amazing, but we are going to teach you how to gear up. Gearing up means how to create intimacy, chemistry, how to do boundaries, how to talk to each other, how to fight fair. We might even talk a little bit about sex. But this is about knowing how to do gear and how to use the gear and how to use the gear well. It's not anything really unlike going out for a ride and being safe. It's time not to take your life and your relationship for granted. Let's use the right gear. Come to Intimacy Reimagined Colorado. Let us know if you want to talk to us about it. Call 515-635-1805. Write us at info@realconnectionscounseling.com. We can't wait to talk to you. I'm Rick Elgersma, the hat guy. Different kind of hat today from Real Connections. That's all for right now. My name is Rick Elgersma, the hat guy from Real Connections. Make your best relationship happen.